Welcome back to Zoonitoons, the channel where your favorite heroes roll out from the page in full color and action. Today we're drawing and coloring the mighty Optimus Prime, first as his awesome truck form, and then transforming into the powerful Autobot leader himself. So get ready, artists, it's time to sketch, color, and bring the Transformers world to life. Grab your pencils, markers, and imagination, because we're going from vehicle mode to hero mode. Let's roll out and start our creative engine. I begin by sketching the main body of the truck, making sure the front grille and headlights are perfectly lined up. Next, I add the large wheels, exhaust pipes, and bumper to give it that tough and powerful look. Then I sketch the flames along the sides, adding that signature design that gives the truck its heroic feel. I carefully draw the windows and side mirrors, capturing every little detail that makes Optimus stand out. Finally, I double-check the proportions to make sure it looks strong, solid, and ready to transform. The tires get a dark black shade with small white highlights to make them pop against the body. The flames come next, shining orange and yellow to make the truck look fast, fiery, and full of energy. I color the front grille in silver and gray tones to make it look like real shining metal. by filling in the body with deep blue and bright red, keeping that bold Transformer look alive. With the final touches of light blue windows and glowing details, Optimus Prime's truck form is complete and ready to roll. Now it's time to draw Optimus Prime in his full robot form, standing tall and heroic. I start with his powerful stance, sketching his arms and legs wide as if he's ready for action. Next, I carefully draw the chest plates and shoulder armor, making sure they match his classic design. Lastly, I add the mechanical joints, panels, and all the small techie parts that make him look like a true transforming hero. Yellow and gold details highlight the edges, bringing that futuristic robotic look to life. The metal parts get a mix of silver and gray, showing the solid strength of his Autobot armor. I fill in his armor with strong blue and bright red, blending them to give his body depth and contrast. I color the glowing chest panels in light turquoise, giving the sense of power and energy within him. And there we have it. Optimus Prime in both his truck and robot forms, fully drawn and colored with heroic energy. From wheels to armor, every detail shows the power, courage, and creativity of this amazing Autobot leader. If you had fun bringing this Transformer to life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more action-packed drawings. Keep your pencils ready, because on Zoonitoons, the adventure never stops. See you next time, and remember, Autobots roll out.